Welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to take a first look at a free demo available in Steam for a game called Techtonica. This is produced by Firehose Games, and sometime during 2023 this game will be going into early access. So this is a very early release demo of the game, so it's going to be quite interesting to take a look at the game. Now before we get started, I just want to explain why I'm looking at these games. And the reason for that is that you could say my New Year's resolution is to be a bit more flexible and start looking at some other games that I've always been interested in but never had the time to play. So we're going to go through a list of these games over the next couple of weeks, just taking a first look just to see how you guys react to it, whether you're going to be interested to seeing how to play it. So this isn't going to be a long series or anything like that. In fact, it's probably going to most likely just be one video, just to test the water is probably the best way to do it. Also, I think doing this will also refresh my outlook and my gameplay in the games that I normally play on the channel. Now, this game is a factory building game that is actually underground, which you might be able to gauge from the pictures that are kind of rotating at the moment. So probably based on the description in Steam, I would say that this is probably satisfactory underground. There, that's a nice, pretty cool looking picture here of what we're probably expected to build. I can't see us building that in this part, but you never know. It's quite interesting that the conveyor can run along the front of the inserters. I think they're inserters or gatherers, whatever you want to do. Anyway, guys, what we're going to do is just jump straight in and see what happens. Now, while the game's loading, just to emphasize, this is completely new territory. I haven't played the game at all. It's we're just going to get in, so press any key to continue.
Warning. Structural integrity failing. Emergency resuscitation of all personnel initiated.
Right, we seem to be in some kind of room.
And report to production terminal Lima.
So we seem to be in some kind of room here. Can we interact with anything here? Oh, well, that said inspect. Inspect.
Your medical status is diagnostic failure.
Right, so what we got up here? We got a gatherer. Okay, we can. So the gathering process is very much like virtually every survival game you start. Yeah, you start by collecting by hand. So this is an element of there. We can't do that there. What we got here? We got something here. What we got here? Grab stack, grab half, shift plus left click, transfer stack. So here's shift left click. That just comes over. Control left click says all. Okay, so that seems to be the same as stack. Shift there, space says take all. Okay, that's my probably go-to button for this. So well, what we got? So we got to get out of here. It says out of power on it.
Door unpowered.
Okay, it says use materials from crate to craft operate crank generator. Press tab. This looks very much like an inventory constructor. Okay, let's cancel crafting. So it's almost like it's a default here, and we got two toolbars on here. Well, I'm absolutely no idea how we'd get between the two toolbars, but we'll work that out. What we got here? Press to build. So it's left click to build.
Instruction license initialized.
Place, insert, inspect, and activate crank generator. Okay. Let's activate crank. I'm assuming that these are more template graphics than things. Power menu. What's the power menu? Okay.
Reminder, exit this facility.
Okay, so we've now got to leave this room here. Okay, power restored.
Casualties detected.
Okay. Inspect glowing cube in buried. Okay.
Groundbreaker, you are a sight for very sore eyes.
Okay, we've got
I can't get a read on your voice.
somebody talking to us. At least we got rid of that horrible computerized type voice.
The other way around. Let's go.
Okay. Anything else here? So I'm assuming this is some form of communicator. We don't have to carry it ourselves. We're going to keep gathering whatever the plant matter. I'm assuming the fact that it's here, I would guess that it's something that we're going to need. What we got here as well? Can we get into there? Nope. So this is an example of looks like what we got to build. So we can build a conveyor that goes around a corner. Let me just see here. You can run conveyors by themselves. There's the gatherer, inserter, whatever you want to do. Let's take hold. Can't know what. We snatch that off the conveyor. Nope. Okay, let me just gonna gather as much of this stuff as possible. Obviously, because this is a factory type game, that this is just to get us up and going. We won't be doing this in the long term. Hope not. Anyway, and obviously this is some form of advanced setup.
Additional reminder: exit this facility.
Yes, stop nagging me. I'm getting there. I'm getting there, game. I mean, if the game's going to nag me, I will lose patience very quickly. Okay. Some more plant material up here. We'll just go for that. Oh, what's the range like? Can we just stand in one place and get all up? Not bad, actually. I think as long as you can highlight it, you can pick it up. Keep saying scan with something, but I haven't got anything to scan with. There's a boxy thing just down there. That looks like it's a connector. Yeah, this all looks a little bit familiar, although I'll be completely honest, I haven't played a factory game for some time. Okay.
Bravo Delta 1.
Oh, she's talking for me.
Verified.
Okay. There's find excavation tools.
Doors, I swear.
We've got an excavation tool. Okay, click and hold. Click and hold. Left click actually and hold. We're getting some dirt for this. I don't know how much, so we can kind of hack through. Don't need to make it too tidy, do we? Don't know if we need the dirt.
Surveying environment.
Have we got some
Your
kind?
first priority is to inspect that production terminal and start building a factory. Until we hear otherwise,
Production terminal.
the job is the job. Terminal upgrades provide tech to help
Yeah, we
build
got
factories.
terminal
And
just
factories
there.
produce the goods required to upgrade the terminals.
We bash these
One hand
rocks.
washes the other.
Didn't-
Upgrading the terminal should also restore power to its radio and help us find more
Okay.
places where other people might be trapped.
So we got to do something with this terminal. Repair terminal, missing resources. So we need 100 copper and 100 ore. So we need ore. Okay.
This terminal is cooked. Mining drills were the only buildable tech I could recover. Try crafting a few with the materials you've got on you.
Okay, so
You've got the drills going at both the iron and copper veins. You should be able to dump enough ore into this thing to see if self-repair can do the rest. I probably
Right.
put it together in the first place, so least I can do is be optimistic.
so we got to supply and repair the.
Inbound.
Thank
Mining
you.
drill. Must be built at an ore vein and fueled with plant matter.
So we need to find the ore veins, and we can use our plant matter as fuel. So we got to supply the production terminal, which is over here, for 100 ore. We got to build 3 mining drills. Assume it's tab. Okay, what we got here? These are mining drills. We've got to build 3 of these. What's this number here? Oh, it tells us how many we can craft. So we can 1, 2, 3. Okay. We just got to wait there. Let's have a look round now. There's something flashing here. Let me just see. Can we whack this? So that's iron. There's something flashing over there. I'd say that that is copper. Just keep gathering the. Gonna need lots and lots of plant material. Get rid of this. It's gonna preempt the fact that we're probably gonna need to put something here. Yeah. We built anything yet? Okay, so we got 3 mining drills. I'm assuming that we've got to put them on the toolbar. No. Yes, they're on the toolbar in there and then in there. Okay. Well, seeing we're here. Blue is there. Don't know how toast. R is for rotate. A little bit of lag there. If we can tuck that right in that corner.
Task inbound. Mining drill extraction. Verify correct position and fueling by a successful collection of ore.
We could, it won't rotate in there, but you should have to rotate it there, and no, it won't. Kind of goes in that direction. That's not going to be no good, is it? Oops. Zoom. Press 0. Right. Says, right. We've got to put. It says grab and drop one whole stack. Grab half a stack. Transfer. Put half a stack in there and get that going. Just work our way across. Keep grabbing as much of this as possible. So it tells me we're going to need lots and lots of plant material. Of course, the old adage of all games like this, survival games, is that when you first start out, if it's there, grab it. Okay, we've got some kind of funny thing there. I don't know what that is. Right, 6. Another one. That was just gather these plants out here. Can we get rid of these rocks? Maybe that it face up a little bit. Beans feels a little bit cluttered. What we got to get is 100 or 100 iron. Okay. Fuel mining drills collect 20 iron ore, 20 copper. Okay. How fast does this thing go?
Nice work getting those drills up. I'm gonna push you to try your objectives, and it takes longer to handcraft ingots from raw materials. But factory building is all about short-term pain for long-term gain. The sooner you see things from that perspective, the better off you'll be.
So we've got to make 6 more mining drills. But it says we can make them, so 2, 3. Inspect what we're getting from here. How do we get this out? Okay. Worried about that cross there, but so we've got weapons of the ore. We've got to get 100. What we call it. So let's keep gathering the. We're at it. Okay. Don't know if the plants will grow back, but we'll find out. Okay. Well, we've got 41 there. 41 there. So we're doing okay. We'll just keep wandering around while we're collecting this stuff. We've got some little lighty things here. The question is, where would we... Only got 3 mines here. So we built 3 more. It says build and place 6 more. But where would we put them? I don't think we can put them in here. Every time I put this in here, it turns round. Just try it out here then. For that, it's blue. So it's saying that we placed out here. Can we get a third one over here then? I mean, well, I'm assuming that we're going to, if we play through with this, we're going to need lots more. We've got, I don't know how we can place 3 more. I think what we're going to, oops, sorry about that. I think what we're going to do is we need 100 ore. How we got at the moment? We've got 84. I think we're going to go for the 100 ore first. While we're here, we'll grab this. Then we're going to place the mining, what we call it. See if we can get some more. Have a quick look. Yeah, we've got 185 iron ore. We just get over here. Get some more stuff from here. I've got 81 of that. We've got quite a lot of fuel in there. I'm bound to run out of fuel. I always do when I play this game. And if you guys want to experience the ultimate embarrassment, watch me playing Satisfactory. Or even worse, Factorio. Factorio is a game that I really kind of liked, but I've never really got the hang of it, to be honest. Mainly because I came to it quite late. Right, so... Right, so this repair terminal...
Making that many ingots is going to require an automated facility.
Okay.
Mining drills and smelters connected by conveyor belts and inserters. Belts and inserters have been unlocked in your tech tree automatically, but for smelters, you'll need to do a bit of legwork. I've had the production terminal create a scanner. Pick it up and see if you can find the remains of any smelters nearby. Unlock tech. It's that simple.
Okay, scan Rex, unlock tech. Oh, what we got here? This looks like something.
Task. Scan machine fragments to restore tech tree access.
Okay.
Scanning things will restore them in the tech tree, but you'll need cores to activate them.
So we need cores.
For
Okay.
now, you should have enough
Let me
cores
just
to
scan
activate
this.
that smelter tech once you restore it.
It's good. I'm assuming we're going to get... We can get resources from this as well. I'm not sure what that was, but... Right, we've got copper components. Let me just see if I can get... yeah, look at that. Got another... Not going to put any fuel in it just at the moment. Right, tech tree, T. What we got here, it says repair, upgrade, production terminals unlocked. It says cores. We've got 16 available, 16 placed. Hold to activate. Okay, is that it? Have a look at the rest of the tech tree. What's this? A log inserter. I don't. Do we have to? It says that's a long inserter. I don't want to. I want to stay within the tutorial. Okay.
Good. You've activated the smelter on the tech tree. Now open up your crafting interface, build one, and place it. You'll also want to get multiple smelters going as soon as possible. A factory is only faster than
I don't
your
really want
hands
to put
being
that there. Let's have a look around. There's got there's something through here. Okay, looks like we got a bit of a wall of copper here. I think we'll put these in
Great
here.
job on those extra drills, Breaker. Go wrong with more ore.
Right, place one. Right, so we've now got to make a smelter. We can make 5. I'm going to make 2 simply on the basis that we're going to need 1 for iron and 1 for what we call it. Is that a smelter? Yeah. Smelter times 2. So we're going to need to connect these to the smelter. Now, I'm not going to go optimal. I'm going to give myself plenty of spaces for conveyors because I've got. So I think we'll put.
Task inbound. Smelter. Supply with ore to produce ingots.
Okay.
Requires plant matter for fuel.
Right.
Now that you've built a mining drill and a smelter, your next step is to connect them with the conveyor belts and inserters.
Inserters.
Inserters move goods from machines to belts, the belts carry them, and a second inserter puts them into a different machine down the line. If you understand this, you'll be on your way to understanding everything.
Okay. Logistics. Right, we're gonna. These are the inserters. We're gonna need at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, and we're gonna need a lot of these. It says craft times 5. 1, 2, 3. Right, we're gonna need some more from here. Okay. It'll let me cut that much there. Okay. Grab half. Okay, we'll put half in there to get that going. Out of a conveyor belts. Okay. I think what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can get this thing contraption working. I'll put some fuel in there. Right. Got here. Oops, no. It's a bit difficult to tell. I don't know if you guys can actually see. That's the smelter. Where is the... I think 7 is the inserters. So, what's it? R for rotate. Thank you, because I always like to use R for rotate. So, we're going to put one there.
Inserter. Use inserters to transfer items between machines and conveyor belts.
Right. So we got a bit of...
Inbound. Conveyor belt. Use conveyor belts to build networks between machines. Inserters are required to transfer items to and from conveyor belts.
One there. Where's the conveyor belts? Are we actually building them yet? Can't see. Okay, we got another message. Press for J. Automating production. Okay, this is just a... We've got 3 inserters. Oh, okay, we've now got to the belts. Kind of thinking we go that way. No, I'm a bit suspicious there. I think I've been caught with that before.
I've got nothing but respect for you grinding it out on your factory breaker, but you never know what a bit of exploration might turn up.
That's rubbish.
Switch your legs.
Okay, yeah. Well, let me just do this, Mrs. How the heck do I delete? Controls. Whoops. I think we've got to... That's it. Okay, so we've now got stuff running into here. We could probably connect this one up later on. We're not going to worry too much about this one. So we're now... Let me just take a quick look here. So we're now producing ingots there. We just got to keep that going. Right, it's just one thing at a time.
It's important
Wait.
to not multiply your production of them as soon as possible. Build at least 6 smelters in this area, and make sure you've got good lines to get ore into them efficiently.
Okay. I think because we got copper down that way. Where's the smelter? I'll submit that the smelter. Yep. We'll just rotate that. We'll put you... I think we'll kind of put them in a line here. Get the inserter wherever you are. Rotate. That's the wrong way. I'm bound to put it in the wrong way sooner or later. Conveyor. Right. Got to kind of stop one short. Okay, so right in there. So we're now getting 100 ingots. The game's kind of telling us to go out and explore. Let's place and build 6 smelters. This is too much for 2 of them, isn't it? Okay. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna steal you from there. We need more smelters. What does a smelter use? This just uses ore. This is jolly old ore. Ah. So what we need to do is go down around here. We're gonna have to gather some more planty stuff, explore a little bit. Should have put some fuel in these, shouldn't I? Oops, don't want that much. Okay. We're just going to explore a little bit while we're getting some more copper stuff out. Get that. I'm assuming eventually we're going to have to build a conveyor line out here. Place 6 smelters. Right. This one seems...
Your machines can only hold so much at a time before their inventories
Thank
fill
you,
up
game.
and they stop working. Try building a storage container and connecting it to the rest of your operation.
Yeah, thank you, game. Get rid of that. That. Get rid of that. Crash that. Okay, it keeps telling me to sprint. Can I build any smelters? Yep. Nope. We need that copper. Copper ore. Okay. Getting some kind of blue box. Right, let's just get back over here. Just bash the rocks out of the way. In through, because we're going to need to bring a conveyor out this way. So, okay, right, that. That as well. Get it on the walls. No. Right, how many smelters can we buy now? 3 more. 2, 3. Just build by that. Let's have a look round. There's a kind of cavey thing over here where you can take a look at. See what's down here. I think the yellow plants give us more than the blue plants. What we got here? Okay.
Door secured. Repair and upgrade production.
Right, I would
terminal.
guess that this is just an kind of another type of thing that we've got to do. Okay, let's just get back here. We should have got another smelter now. Again, so we'll get back up to the wherever we are. Where are we? I've lost it. Okay, I got lost. Where are we? Right, that's over there. So we got a smelter there. Gonna put. We get another one right back up on the side. Okay. Gonna need an inserter there. Okay. Oops. Inspect. Put you in there. Right, so we've now got 2 smelters. We need storage now. Can we build storage? Equipment. Okay. This needs 36 iron. That's okay, we've got plenty of iron. Just build 1 at the moment, just because we don't know how much space is needed. I think while that's going in, we'll put another smelter over here. that. That will come out to there. Oh, we need another inserter. Okay. Right. Oops. What we got here? This looks very much like a storage box. Again, I'm just gonna put it out, give yourself plenty of space because right, so we're gonna need more inserters. Got some more iron. Oops, pressed the wrong button. Out of inserters, got a new one. There's only one here. Now, we have to come out. It's kind of oops, wrong way. Another inserter. Okay. Put the conveyor. I rotate that. And can I? That's a bit close to that corner. I wonder if it will. I hate you, game. I hate you. Okay. Okay, we're gonna need to. That's it. That's going the wrong way. Can I reverse it? No. Okay. Oops. So we're gonna have to remove that. I built them the wrong way round. That's okay. I don't know whether we just pick them up or and rotate you there. Put you there. So to get a connector, it's got to be three-way. And what's up with this? It's not. Whoops. F hold. Delete. Conveyor. Okay. I think we finally got stuff flowing into here. This doesn't, so we got 11 ingots in there. Right, got 2 smelters going, feeding into here. From that bit there. Kind of a bit. No, the game's not unbalanced because this is full. It's going to go that way. This is never going to recover. We could probably put another smelter there. Can I come off of this side because it should be. We come that way. I mean, the game's telling us to make them, so right. I need more inserters. 2 more. And we'll put there. Okay. This is, I've neglected my over here. So, oops. What am I doing? Wait. Inserter, we'll put an inserter there. Oh, that might be a bit too close. Well, we'll just, rather than waste time, just gonna have a bit of fun here, guys. Plus, this is a good way to find out how flexible the game actually is. I've built 6 smelters. No, we've built 5, haven't we? Okay. Some more iron ore. 500 iron ore. Need the copper. Make the smelter. We've got 2 smelters going over here. Over here, and whereabouts 22. Yep, that's okay. 198 of that. Okay. Right, we need another one more smelter. That. How much have we got in here? We've got to get the 100 ingots. 100 ingots in there at the moment. Auto-produced. How much have we got in the way of copper? We need a store over here, don't we, as well? Let's bash this rock out of the way. We've got 13 in there. 50 in there. Take the ingots out. We've got one more smelter. I think we're going to put the smelter here. Oops, it says hand crank. What am I on about? Okay.
Glad you got those extra smelters up, Breaker. Friends don't let friends craft ingots by hand.
Right, we need some inserters, sorry, not inverters. Make a few of those. Actually, I'm gonna make one of those. For the moment, I'm gonna rotate back that way. Far out is this gonna come? I think we're try and keep it a bit tighter. Drag to there. Put an inserter there. But 7. Pick you up. Oops. Come there. I don't know if this will connect this way. It might, because we're the inside of this one. So, oh, it just took a little while to do it. We could probably connect it to there so that we wouldn't be queuing up to go into there. But as I say, this is very much a first look, so we can sort that out later on. Okay. I got the we just need the copper now to do this 100, whatever it is. So we can just get into here. A little bit of lag dropping off the ingots. 20 in here. I think what we'll do is we'll put a storage, what we call it, over here. Valid places. Okay, we're gonna have to kind of put it out. I don't know. I assume the conveyor will go up. A bit close though. Alright, what we're gonna have to do is do something like that. Need 2 more of these. Put 1 there. Rotate that way. We're gonna have to come out. Oops. 8, sorry. Let's come out 1 more. Keep that way. Get a curve. This can come out. 1, 2. This can. It's gonna have to go out 1 more, isn't it? Make that connector there. Not very good. You'd have thought that. Then again, the game may include a T-junction later on. Okay, we're out of conveyors. It was going right click. We're gonna need a few of those. This. Okay. Oh, we're out of fuel. Isn't this fun? Right, we need is 35, nearly there. 9. Okay, just let that run. Let's have a little bit run around, make sure everything is working. Oh, looks like we're running out of fuel over here. We out of fuel? Or is everything working? Obviously, this area is a little bit more efficient. Okay, so we can run across the terminals. Okay, so I've got absolutely no idea how big these storage areas will. Seems a little bit slow here. This is a choke point, isn't it? Let me just see. Oops. We need an inserter. Make you. Build that very quickly. 7. Rotate. Whoops. Wrong way. Just on this. Oh, I bet you that won't go in there. Yes, it will. Oh, great. Oops. What that means is we should be getting a lot more. Okay, so there is a potential capacity issue, which you need to manage. That be it. Right, what we've got now is I'm going to put 100 ingots in here. I seem to be short on ingots. I've got to go and get some more ingots. Okay, so we thought I'd got them. Get 0, get rid of that message. Just pick up the ingots. Inspect. Drop that in. Okay, right, we can upgrade the terminal.
We've upgraded upgraded this PT as much as we can. The radio works now, but only for incoming transmissions. And the signal it gives you probably won't be one we can get to with a pickaxe.
Okay.
A mole terrain manipulator should be able to cut through, but we still need to find enough fragments of one to unlock the tech. You might want to look around for some echo sketch fragments, too. Never hurts to see where you're going.
Right, so what it's doing now is telling us to explore what we got up here. Okay, we got there. Oh, we got 1 of 3 of mole. What we got in here? Okay, we've got a little bit of... Take that. But what are these things? No, just... Right, well, we did... What's that? Funny blue... Right, it... Like a... What we got down here. See what we got here. Okay, this is the room... I get a feeling that... Right, what have we got in here? Okay, look, it looks like the door's open. So maybe this is where we got to go. Don't remember what we got here. Got
Task inbound. Echo sketch. Generates dynamic map of immediate vicinity from sonar data. Inbound. Mole. Manipulates terrain for traversal and composition of industrial construction site.
That's the last mole fragment, Breaker. Don't forget, you'll need to activate it in your tech tree before attempting to build it.
We've got 16 of these things. We've got to unlock that techie thing as well. That's the smelter. Long inserter, hover pack. Hover pack. Okay, well. Crank connector we've got here. Echo sketchy thing. Okay, we've built that.
There's a lot I can't remember, but the mole is unforgettable.
Identified. Xeno material containers.
Okay.
No contents detected.
This computer has a requisition for local plant life to be delivered to a science team for analysis. It looks like the request was approved, but doing it was marked as a low priority by command, even though the request itself was marked as urgent. We didn't come here for science, but I don't remember this kind of hostility about it either. What were they doing here?
Right, we've activated the Eki sketch thingy, whatever it is. Okay, we can make one of those. And what was it? We got to make a mole as well. Okay. We're probably going to run out of fuel, so while we're here. Just grab some of this stuff. We're going to need it. Right, we got... Still building the etchy sketchy thing. Okay. Don't think... Do we need that on... Okay, so what's this etchy sketchy thing? Reminds me of a thing that used to... Toy used to buy was called an etch sketch. Oh, we got... Oh, wow, we got a radar. Okay, what happens if we equip it? Oh, wow. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's like a 3D map of where we are. And... Okay. Oh, so... The red circles indicating zoom in, zoom out. Okay. Inspect the production terminal, Victor. Absolutely no idea what that is. We got... I don't know, have we built the mole yet? Oh, come on, we've got to have the mole. That looks like the mole is still being built, so... Just clear some of these rocks away again then. We better go and check to make sure. Okay, we're kind of getting a bit of a fuel problem now. Goes without saying. I'm assuming that yeah, we're going to have to eventually automate the fuel process as well.
We won't be able to get to another production terminal until you build a mole breaker. If you do, the sooner we'll get back to the main line.
Okay, so it's telling us that we've got to do a little bit of drilling and stuff, and it will just keep this. Right, you've still got enough fuel. How's ours? You've still got a little bit of fuel. How many ingots have we got? Well, it's not brilliant, but okay. What have we got here? 8. Oh, it's 0. Oh wow. What does this thing do? I don't really want to cut it loose. Huh. Wow. Okay. Anyway, we'll just keep gathering. So we got our mole. We want to just wander around a little bit now and explore. What have we got down here? Put our T-sketch thing back on. Hint, there's something over there, like some kind of. We got to go down that tunnel thing. There's also at the back over there. There's somewhere we've got to drill through. So I think we're get the blaster in. Just grab us. Keep grabbing thing as we go by. And what we got here? I think we're going in the right direction, aren't we? Okay, there's something through here. What we got here? Where's the magic whizzy thing? We scan these lighty things as well. Okay. We got here. Trying to scan them, but yeah. To scan all light sticks. Okay. Scan's complete. Unlocks light sticks. What on earth are light sticks? Actually, it's probably in tech, isn't it? Let's get out of that. Let me just see. Tool belt medium. Accumulator scanner. Oh, is that a light? No. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna. Oh, no, it is a light stick. It requires 16 cores. We've only got 3 left, so got no idea about how we got to do that. What I am interested in is there was on the get rid of that thingy on our magic machine here. We're there. There's a kind of a gap over there. I wonder if that's a hint of where we got to go. Let me just. So apologies, it's a little bit dark. It's almost like it's. Is it here? No, it's kind of round the back of where the copper is. Okay. A bit crazy just walking around with that here. Kind of. Where's the copper ingot, guys? It's how are we now? Yeah, it's like it's actually just to the right of us. It's almost like it's about here. In fact, the terrain looks a bit different here. So, okay, we're just gonna. Haha. I'm gonna love this tool. Okay. Itchy sketchy. Right, we've got to turn left that way. I think we're going in the right direction. I think looking at the map in the top
I
left.
never got the chance to thank you for getting me out of that facility.
Okay,
I appreciate it.
we're in some kind of
At the
tunnel
time, it seemed like the best thing to do was
thingy
focus
bob
on
here.
life and not get caught up in thinking about anything else. I've tried to stay sharp for
Lots and
once.
lots of
Now that we're almost back to the
parts.
main line, I'll
Okay.
admit, I was
Oh, so we're
terrified.
going in the right direction.
It'll be good to see some friendly faces.
So maybe that area where we were was just like a training area.
I'm sure you've got people there too.
Nope, I'm completely new to the job. Okay, it's a bit tight here, but we can. Oh yeah, I'm gonna love this tool. Oh, what we got here? Okay. Looks very much like we've actually arrived at the main. What we got here? We got some stuff to scan. Right, we found an assembler, which of course is always the next part in a. What's this? In a planter. That's going to give us, so that means we'll be able to automate food production. Is this the terminal we got to get to? Please service. Repair terminal. What does this need? It needs power floor inserter. Okay. Well,
Welcome to the Techtonica Prologue Free Play sector. Please continue to build factories and discover new technologies through fragment scanning and production terminal upgrades. Good luck, and have fun experimenting in the world of Techtonica.
yep. So this is the area we got. Obviously we got some kind of water here. Yeah. So this is the main experimentation area to practice building, and obviously we'd have to level all this stuff out. I'm not sure whether we'd have to. I mean, it's got water in here as well. This is where I'm going to leave it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it interesting. If you'd be interested to see more of Techtonica, possibly when it actually does drop into early access, feel free to chuck it into the comments. But until next time, whatever you do, enjoy your gaming.